the 2007 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter five-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, an outside temperature display, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.